So you're sitting down, ready to dive into your favorite game or app on your Xbox One or Xbox Series XS, only to be greeted by a frustrating error message, 0X80073D0F. It's enough to make anyone want to throw their controller across the room. But fear not, because today I'm going to show you how to fix this pesky error and get back to gaming in no time. First things first, let's try a simple solution. Start by restarting your console. Yes, I know, it sounds cliché, but you'd be surprised how often a good old-fashioned reboot can solve these kinds of issues. Simply hold down the power button on your console until it shuts off completely, then wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Give it a moment to boot up, and then try launching your game or app again. If that didn't do the trick, let's move on to the next step. Check your internet connection. Sometimes a weak or unstable connection can cause this error to occur. Make sure your Xbox is connected to the internet and that your Wi-Fi signal is strong. If you're using a wired connection, double-check that the Ethernet cable is securely plugged in. If you're still having trouble, try resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider for assistance. Now, if you're still seeing that dreaded error message, it's time to delve a little deeper. We're going to clear the cache on your Xbox. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Start by turning off your console and unplugging the power cord from the back. Wait for about 10 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. Once it's booted up, press and hold the power button on the front of the console for about 10 seconds until it shuts off again. Wait a few more seconds, then turn it back on and try launching your game or app once more. If all else fails, it may be time to consider a factory reset. Now, I must warn you, this should be your last resort, as it will erase all your saved data and settings. But if you're willing to take the plunge, here's how you do it. Go to the Settings menu on your Xbox, then select System. From there, choose Console Info, and finally, select Reset Console. You'll have the option to either keep your games and apps, or remove everything.